Pea kale and potato soup. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop 1 onion, roughly chop 2 celery stalks, roughly chop 3 brussel sprouts. Cut 2 large potatoes into small cubes. Roughly chop 1 bunch of kale. Heat a pan on a high heat. Add the potato, onion, celery and brussels sprouts. Add 8 cups of vegetable stock, cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Boil until the potatoes are soft. When the potatoes are cooked, add 2 cups of peas. Add the kale. Cover with a lid and boil for 5 minutes. After boiling for 5 minutes, remove the lid and puree the soup in a blender until smooth. Then serve.